Hey, how are you this morning? Today, as always, we'll start with a warm-up. Then we'll do 3 sets of 6 exercises. As always, we'll have active rest for 15 seconds in between each exercise. We'll focus mostly on our lower and upper body today. Today's 6 exercises are running punches, walking lunges, tricep dips, step-ups. I forgot my stepper at home, so I had to improvise. Side plank sit-ups, and sit-ups with punches. Let's start. We have a beautiful morning here in Hawaii, so let's get this workout done so we can enjoy the beach. Warm up like usual, from our neck all the way to your feet. You want to be ready for 15 minutes of fat melting. Then to your shoulders, circular motions. I also bent my knees a little. Going down in a lunge position while I stretch my upper body. Hold for a few seconds. Then, change to your other leg. Now, we're going to our legs, doing some slow squats combined with calf raises. Moving down to our ankles, doing circular motions. Now, let's start the timer and we'll start with 30 seconds of running punches. Simply lift your knees up and throw your punches. And active rest for 15 seconds, followed by walking lunges. We will do 3 lunges, then we turn. Active rest for 15 seconds, followed by 30 seconds of tricep dips. Active rest for 15 seconds. Active rest for 15 seconds, followed by 30 seconds of side plank sit-ups. They will reduce your love handles. We'll change the side after 15 seconds. Active rest for 15 seconds and sit-ups with throws for another 30. Imagine you have a ball in your hand which you throw each time you are up. Great job! 15 seconds of active rest and the first set is over! "30 seconds of running punches. And active rest for 15 seconds, followed by walking lunges. We will do 3 lunges, then we turn. Active rest for 15 seconds, followed by 30 seconds of tricep dips. "15 seconds of active rest. Then we'll do step-ups. Push with me. Think of how sexy you'll be once you shed all the extra fat from your body. Active rest for 15 seconds, followed by 30 seconds of side plank sit-ups. We'll change the side after 15 seconds. Active rest for 15 seconds and sit-ups with throws for another 30. Just a few sit-ups, then active rest for 15 and the second set is over. Fifteen seconds of active rest. Thirty seconds of running punches. And active rest for 15 seconds, followed by walking lunges. We will do 3 lunges, then we turn. Active rest for 15 seconds, followed by 30 seconds of tricep dips. Fifteen seconds of active rest. Then we'll do step-ups. Active rest for 15 seconds, followed by 30 seconds of side plank sit-ups. We'll change the side after 15 seconds. active rest for 15 seconds, and sit-ups with throws for another 30. Just a few sit-ups. And let's complete these 15 seconds of active rest and we are done! Great job! Great workout! Let's stretch a little and I am going to the beach. We'll start each stretching with our shoulders. Hold on each position for at least 5 seconds. While stretching, it is really important to breathe deeply and really think about how amazing your life will be when you achieve the body you want. Now, let's sit down and do another stretching move for our back and hold for a few seconds. Going into the Cobra pose. Bent over your left leg, hold for a few seconds. And then, when you feel it's enough, move to your right leg. Have a great day and see you tomorrow!